Our system is pretty easy to use. It was built with the mindset of an operator first. We wanted to make sure that it's accessible and folks have training that's built in just to be able to do the things they do every day. From really tracking activities, tracking your cost, understanding what it actually costs you to be in a grow room, and all the way until you distribute those products. One of the most amazing things we're doing now is, again, launching our CMS product, which has the ability for us to pull tons and tons of data that we can analyze on the back end and make sure that folks have predictive analytics to better understand what's coming up in the pipeline in terms of harvest forecasting, as well as how those strains performing in terms of yield when you convert them to other products. I hear a lot about folks talking about how nascent our industry is, but I'll tell you, the future is here. And if we're going to succeed as an industry, technology is our friend. And if technology is here to cut costs, it means that we can only grow, because when we cut costs, it allows us to scale as an industry. It gives us information that otherwise we may not be able to access. So I think, again, when I look at all these people in this room, for me, I look at it business owners. It's all business, David.
Yeah.
If we can provide technology to really save money and build better products, I think tech is for us. For the most part, it's 4 to 6 weeks to get started with Figgro. But again, it depends with the company size. But for small, mid-sized companies, what we typically see is that 4 to 6 weeks window. If they need customization, we typically phase it in. And overall, we see people saving $72,000, which is a lot. It's a big bang for a lot of operators.
Oh yeah, no, that makes a big difference for them.
David, look, we are here for the industry. We just launched our cultivation management system. It's affordable, it's accessible. We are launching it with 1,000 plants free under management, meaning that operators can start with Figgro and grow with Figgro for $0 and can build on it.
So if they have 1,000 plants or less, they can use your platform for free?
Completely free.
That's incredible.
It's never been done in this industry, and we're excited about that. Analytics, data, AI.
Okay.
You said it.
Yeah. Thank you very much for taking the time, man. I appreciate it.
Thank you, David. Appreciate it.